right, folks, for those of you who are at home and probably eating a little bit more than you should, jeez.
I wonder who that could be.
Oh, wow. Our producer has put together some food trivia for us to test our knowledge. I haven't been home. I've been at work, but when I am home, oh boy, am I eating? Yes, yes, because food is comforting and we're stressed. Okay, produce, do your thing.
Out them food, here's some Jamaican food. A food product made from rolled oats mixed with nuts and sweeteners is known as what? Is that a granola bar?
Yes, correct. Yes, good job.
What is the most popular spice in the world?
Cinnamon, nutmeg. Why did I my holding back?
I don't know. Pepper?
Oh, really? I find that interesting though. Hot dog is a colloquial term used for what food? Such as wiener, frankfurter.
Colloquial term used for what?
What?
Pineapples? No, so the answer they're wrong.
Eh?
Frankfurter.
Frankfurter?
Yes.
What's the answer?
Yes, not pineapples. Who in there can cook?
Thank you. Because I was just about to say I was today years old.
I'm guessing the answer for the next question is
pineapples. Let me see. What is the next question?
the one that we get before. We got this a while ago.
What is the name of the food that was miraculously provided to the desert-dwelling Israelites of the Old Testament?
Manna?
Yes, manna come from heavens. Oh, go Harris. Go Harris. Is it... Why is it such a broad question?
Is it pineapples?
Third world product?
Banana. Third world. Palm oil. We're not called third world. Other Africa not called third world.
Fried. Low temperature?
Low temperature. Braising. Saute. Slow salt. Poaching. That's right.
Okay. We say we are eating it when I say we are cook. Hickory trees produce what type of nuts? Dickory dock. I have no idea.
Pine nuts? I don't know.
We don't ever come from a hickory tree. Oh, that's interesting.
You mean you don't have a pecan
We're
tree?
not big pecan eaters in Jamaica though. We're peanut and almond and cashew.
Pecan tree. You can use it as a drip, man.
As a what?
Drip.
You wash off your art.
You can use it as a drip, man.
I didn't.
Like saline, man. Blood plasma. Well, me never know that. Saline.
Saline and blood plasma are two different things.
The blood plasma is different from a drip. I thought you could use it as a drip. Blood plasma. Coconut water?
That's interesting. Okay. Next. No more?
So what were the pineapples? There's something where I put no. Okay. It's used as a food tenderizer. Pineapple? A lie. I'm gonna try to tell the turkey people them that when Thanksgiving come.
Pineapple.
Tenderizing properties. Pineapple. They should try it on turkey then. Cause that meat is so tough.
Turkey? You know, say I cannot put it in my mouth.
Turkey?
True, but I say, oh, the bird big. It just don't seem natural to eat it.
I feel like you have to steam it first.
Can't eat it.
Steam it in the seasoning.
Me don't feel it make to
and
eat.
then put it in the oven. If you just put it in the oven raw, so that's why it take all day. Like
It must
all
be
day.
It's a pet. It's not a food. Even though some pets make very good food. Some
Turkey
people have
bacon maybe, but
chickens
turkey,
as pets and those are very tasty.
turkey wants some seasoning. It did some
Rabbits,
it's so bland
though,
sometimes.
Do not eat your rabbit. It's a crime to eat a rabbit. They're too cute. Lambs.
No, Burger doesn't eat them. Burger, I'm not gonna say children are watching. Burger has a pet cemetery at his house. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Listen, are we coming back? We'll be back.
He's not even-
So come.